Hi there, I'm Anne and today I'm gonna share a simple mod that will make you want to complete a higher percentage of races after breaking your windshield. I'm sure most of you already know about this, but there are probably many which don't. I couldn't find a similar tutorial on YouTube for this, so I wanted to share this with the rest of the sim community. Full disclaimer, I did not create this mod and I don't take any credit for it. This modified broken windshield was created by Zedrox from Race Department, so if you like it, please give him the credit he deserves and leave him a good review. When I crash while racing, if there is a slight chance of finishing the lap, stage or a complete race, you bet I'm gonna take it. That's always a better option than just restarting the race. I advise you to do the same. With some cars in Assetto Corsa, when you break their windshield, you can't see a thing in front of you and therefore it is really hard to be driving like that. I mean, you can easily destroy someone's hot lap or a race by ramming into them if you don't see where you're going. Yes, that said, this mod works in online races too. Car windshields made from tempered glass, polycarbonate, acrylic or Lexan are complicated technological marvels, and the way they crack, bend or break is not a simple thing to simulate. We will skip this part for the sake of gaming pleasure, just like Kunos did, and leave that for BeamNG. Assetto Corsa uses one type of damaged glass for all the cars and damage scenarios in the games, and for what it is, it works pretty great. To be able to download from Race Department, you need to create a profile. It is a straightforward process and it's completely free. By following the link in the description, you will be able to download the zip file containing a texture which we will use to replace an existing default texture made by Kunos. First things first, even though this is a fairly safe mod, we better make a backup of the old windshield. Go to your Steam library, Steam Maps, Common, Assetto Corsa, Content, Texture folder. There you will be able to find a document named damage_glass. Copy the document to a safe location on your hard drive. The zip file you downloaded has two documents inside. The one we are looking for is also named damage_glass, like the one before. Extract it to your desktop. Now copy the file and go to the previously mentioned folder. Paste the file in there and press replace the file in the destination when prompted to rewrite. I mean, you can unzip it or extract it directly to the location, but I prefer doing it this way. And yes, that is everything you need to know to start enjoying your new broken windshield. If you would like to see more of the similar content, please subscribe and leave a like. That would really mean a lot to me. Also, this is my dog Lola and she really wanted to be a part of my first YouTube video, so we hope you like it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment sections below and I'll reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and bye.